What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Now I'm vlogging on my iPhone today because I didn't take my camera, so it's an iPhone vlog. Pardon the iPhone vlog. We got Dusty here. What's good?
Rookie mistake by not bringing your camera, my guy.
I will never make that mistake ever again.
I'll let it slide this time, but next time, bring the goddamn camera.
All right. Dude, look at this hat. Look at this guy.
Oh, thanks. Only, color it with the pink under brim.
God.
Real men wear pink.
I like that. So as you guys can see, maybe you can't, but behind me, we just picked up a brand new mattress and we also picked up some turf. So, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make my room extra cozy, and I decided that turf would be the way to just make it feel like a vibe. So later we're gonna try setting that up. I gotta set up the mattress platform thing and then put the mattress on top. So we're gonna do that later today. We're still moving stuff into the apartment and all that. But we're on the way to see the homie Colin, do some shopping today, do some sneaker shopping, just walk around, just vibing today, because this is the last day of our trip. So we're gonna make it worth it. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen one of these in a while. Let's see if I can hit a trick for you guys. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, that never happened. And last one. Nah, that's not gonna count. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, that doesn't count either. Oh, jeez. You know what? That counts. Show us your magnificent pouring skills.
Quick tip, if you don't have a cup, if you don't have a cone or a funnel,
What do you do?
just pour it in there. Hey, you need some windshield fluid? So you wanna go like that.
Oh,
I'm a bartender.
you're actually pretty good at this. How do you know when you're good?
Just keep going until you fill her up, baby.
Let's see, let's analyze the technique by Travis Scott's. Put your arm back like that. You're good to go.
I think. It's still going. Oh, she's thirsty.
It
It is. Damn, she's thirsty.
Oh my God. Dustin's trying to secure a Fear of God hat today, so we're hitting up this mall over here. I think it's a Westfield mall. It makes me feel like I'm at home. So we're gonna see if you can find some Fear of God stuff. Maybe those University Blue Air Jordan 1s. We never know. Wish us luck. We found this kumquat tree at the mall, and Colin picked us the juiciest kumquat. Thank you, Colin. We appreciate it. I don't think Dustin has had one of these before, so we're gonna get his reaction. If you haven't had it, the best way I can explain it is like it's a condensed orange. The inside is super sour, but the outside is sweet. It's weird. So, let's see what he thinks.
And then we're gonna go to OC. So we'll let you know when we leave. Yeah, you can either you don't have to peel the skin. You can just eat it. You eat the skin if you want.
I can just eat it?
Yeah.
You eat the whole thing though.
Does it have a seed in it?
Because one part's sour and then one part's sweet. So if
sour
you,
sweet gone.
Well, the
Advertisement
seed.
for
The
Sour
seed
Patch
out.
Kids.
you have to eat.
Ugh.
You have to eat the whole thing. You see, it's sweet and sour, right?
It's sour.
Do you get the sweet?
That's pretty good.
Okay, there he goes. Colin's been putting Dustin onto new food, so now he knows. That's a kumquat.
Listen here to all you kumquats. You better eat that.
Hey, there's another tree right there. Dang, look what we found, guys. Size 5 is lit. Oh my God. These are so fire. Even the smaller sizes, quality, insane. They have GS Carmine still sitting here. This is a size 6Y. Damn, dude, Colin cashed out. there something you need to tell us, dude? New kid coming soon? New pickup?
Don't scare me. No.
Oh, it's for Dustin's kid. All right. Congrats, bro. So we got to Riff OC. Their LA store is closed, so we're checking this one out. We drove over an hour to get here. So here's a little sneaker wall. Just doing a little sneaker shopping. Checking out stuff that we really don't need, but you know, it's good to get out here and look at some new stuff. Got some Raging Bulls here. These things are fire. Brand new. Sheesh. See, what else can we find? Let's find some gems here. Some puss heads. Price, 500 bucks. These ones are really nice. I like these. Let's see. Oh my goodness. 2,500. I bought my pair back then for like 450. That's crazy. We just got to Bodega right here, and if you guys don't know what Bodega is, basically it's a hidden sneaker store. And the first time I went was in Boston, Massachusetts. So this is what the front of the store looks like. We're literally at the back of a building. It looks like a refrigerator. Dustin just copped this. Congratulations.
Business expense.
Business expenses. So look, any normal person that's walking by wouldn't know what this is, but you literally walk through the fridge and you'll see a sneaker store. So let's check it out. Normally the flaps are covered, but I guess they opened it because of COVID. They don't want everybody touching the flaps. Dang, okay, model.
Whole lot of thigh.
Oh,
Whole lot of thigh.
wow. Let's check it out. Usually the AC is on, so it feels like a fridge. Oh, it is on. Freak. And boom, sneaker store. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. We just dropped Colin off, and yeah, like I said, we're going back to the house. I'm excited to get this mattress thing going because I've been sleeping on this air mattress, and I'm super excited for this grass. I don't know how big it is or how it's gonna look in the room, so you guys are gonna find out at the same time that I am. But look at this, man. Dustin moving up in life. Okay, fancy, super fancy.
You know what we should do?
What should we do?
We should show them what we bought, like this whole trip. Fashion show.
What? oh, the clothes.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about the furniture.
No, fuck the furniture. I'm talking about the clothes we bought.
Super long drive tomorrow.
Be chilling though. I do need my coffee.
Dustin always needs his coffee. Whoever has the Starbucks sponsorship, you could
Or whoever works at Starbucks, like
just if you see him,
yeah, just say hi to me.
say hi. Give him a free, what is it, cold brew?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or a free cup, you know.
Anything.
That way I don't have to buy, you know, save plastic, save the turtles.
Save the turtles. We're all about the turtles.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so to end this video, I'm gonna show you guys what the whole apartment is looking like now that we've sort of furnished everything. It's not 100% done yet, but this is my room. Basically, when you enter, this is what it looks like. Blow! Oh my goodness. I decided to be hella extra, so I went ahead and purchased that artificial turf that you guys saw earlier, and I went ahead and laid it out. When it comes in the roll, it actually has everything combed one way. So what I've been doing is I've been trying to comb it back, you know, to make it look more real. I don't know how it looks on camera. Boom. That's how it looks like on camera without the wide angle, but we're gonna go back. Boom, wide angle. And this is my temporary chair setup. I'm gonna figure out what to do for a chair, but this is Chase's, so shout out to Chase for letting me use this. I copped this nice little eucalyptus sage or eucalyptus mint candle. Bro, I've been messing with the eucalyptus a lot lately. We got a fake plant just to add to the vibes. We got this real nice table, some tools and stuff like that on that side, and we have a trash can, boom, over there. Over here, we have some receipts, all that good stuff. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit later. This nice lotion that I discovered. I usually use the white one, but I'm using this blue, and this blue is so fire. So if you guys ever see this, cop it and let me know what you guys think. For some reason, I used to think mattresses were super expensive. For some reason, I thought they were going for around like, I don't know, maybe $500 to $1,000. But I got this bed right here, this nice mattress, all right? Nice mattress from, I actually got this one from Walmart. It's the Zenith brand, and they have it on Amazon as well. So if you guys are moving, you want something nice, it's packaged real nice. Comes in a tube box, and you let it out like this, and it expands, and boom, you have a bed. And I got that for $200. And then for the bed rack, I'm using the Zenith, same brand, just a wire rack. Basically, I went this route because whenever we decide to move, if we get a bigger place, or if we decide to go somewhere else, it's easy to just collapse, and we don't have to worry about moving a bunch of heavy stuff. So trying to think long term here. So comfy. And there we go. I got a mirror this way. I don't think I need a TV in my room, honestly. I'm in here just to sleep. Got a nice little closet there. It's a little disorganized because I don't have a dresser, so maybe I'll get a dresser sometime. We've been working a lot, you know, just doing what we had to do to make this happen. So I want to thank all of the homies. Shout out to Dustin, shout out to Chase, shout out to Chase's brother for making this happen, because I definitely wouldn't be able to do this on my own. This is a lot of work. Whenever you're moving, you need a lot of manpower to make this thing happen. So shout out to the homies for making this possible. I'm gonna run through the rest of the crib so you guys can see everything. And then we could go ahead and close this video out. Maybe it'll look a little bit different next time I come, but I have to go back to the bay to finish a couple business things. And yeah, I'll be returning back shortly.